Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add order comments in Talabat checkout. The first thing I want you to do is just launch up the Talabat app, and then from here you can go and add any item you want to the cart, whether it's food or groceries, for example. I'll use food in this case. We'll go click on food and we'll look for the restaurant we want to order from. So let's say I want to order from Wimpy. I'll just tap on that, and let's say I want the Wimpy's Grand Feast. We'll come here and add this item. So click on add item, and once it is in your cart, you'll see view cart. Tap on that and you'll be redirected to this page right here. And all you need to do is just go ahead and scroll down until you see the special request section, and you'll see this right here, any special requests and anything else we need to know. So you just go ahead and tap on that. It'll open up the comment box. They give you 200 characters and you can type in any comment you want right here. So let's say, for example, add more cheese. So we'll have that. Click on enter. So that will be our comment, and then you can proceed to checkout. But that is how to add order comments in Talabat checkout.